guys, it's Erica and I am at La Cienega Nursery. This is one of my favorite nurseries to come to look at the plants. Sometimes they have some really cool plants that you don't usually see at other places, so every time I'm around it I want to stop by. So we're gonna go see them. Okay, let's go. So we're starting out over here, and there is a huge silver dollar vine for $85. It's pretty massive, and they have a bunch of these. I think they're orchid cacti. I don't remember. Let's see, there's one right here. Epiphyllum. Oh, this is a fern leaf cactus. They're so gorgeous. They have really thick leaves. And they kind of look like fishtails. So they're this one is 180. The other ones are more. And then, oh, this is a smaller sized silver dollar vine. This one is 45. It's still pretty big though. And they have a bunch of, what are these? Dancing bones? I was gonna say Rhipsalis, but I was like, no, that's not Rhipsalis. Dancing bones, and they're $45. This is where the cool stuff is. I think that's a Rhipsalis. That was $35. Those are definitely Rhipsalis. And then that for sure is an orchid cactus. That one is $85. They also have really big fishbone ones. They're $85. I don't know if you can tell how big they are. Oh, this one is a Mistletoe Rhipsalis. Oh, here's a smaller fishbone for $35. I really like these epiphytic cacti up here. Oh, there's also really huge monsteras I didn't even notice. These are $85. They're very big. They're up on a stake. Okay, here's the Monstera. This is the blueprint right here. But this one is $160. Mine is gonna look like this soon. And there's also some altissima. These are, I think this is actually a Audrey, 120. Very nice, very nice. And there's just some more trees. I really like these because of the leaves are so nice. They're like little triangles. Ficus triangularis. But this is just very big, very big. Oh, here's just to look at in better lighting. How pretty are those leaves? Over here, I think this is an altissima. I'm messing up over here. Yeah, and this one is 80. These ones aren't soft and they have the edging, the variegation on the edging. That's so beautiful. Yeah, there it says Ficus altissima. This is 85. This is the Sansevieria portion. That's cool. Here it is. Oh, the legs, the legs. Ooh. There's another altissima for 85. Little rubber trees. Haworthia. Rhipsalis. I don't know why I like Rhipsalis, even though they just look like little sticks. I love them. Another silver dollar. This one is 45. Sensitive plant. Sensitive plant. It's 8. And these little dolphins for 10. Oh, there's also little tillandsias. Don't know how much they are though. They're so cute. I just noticed that they have a whole tillandsia wall. And these ones are flowering. They're so pretty. Wow. So inside the greenhouse, on our right, we have some little 4-inch rafts. They are $16. I wonder if this one is 16 also. This one is 40. That's a jump. Oh, these are 42. These are bigger for sure. Some little cactuses. Let's see. On the left, we got 4-inch plants. Peperomias, pileas. Pretty sure these are called aluminum plants. Oh, we got a nice ornata for 15. We got a nice, I think these are Stromanthes. These are $12. A white fusion for $18. I kind of want one, but I know that I'm gonna kill it if I get it, so that's why. And then there's these, which kind of look like beauty stars and ornatas, but it's just white, so that's cool. These are 18. And there's little $18 Hoya carnosa crinkly, can't remember the name, Hindu ropes. They're Hindu ropes. And they're $18 each. They're so cute. I really love when they're in the little pots like this. They're just climbing. Maybe I should propagate mine. There's a little kerrii right here. It's very cute and small. It's just one little stem and it's 28. And there's also the Frost, Peperomia Frost. The big one is 20 and the small one is 8. Orchids, string of hearts are 28. This is a really pretty looking one. Why does it look so pretty to me? I think it's because the backing color is like a light purple. That is so pretty. And then there's Hoya australis for 35. I've been seeing those around a lot. There's so many now, but these are so tall. They're climbing up. They're not gonna want to leave here. There's Hoya obovatas for 28. Dolphin, string of dolphins. Ruby necklace. A lipstick plant is blooming. Here are some alocasias, I think. They're $18 each. This one has the really pretty purple pink stems. This one has a black stem. And there's one of those big golden pothos, you know what I mean? It might be like a Hawaiian one. I forgot what it's called, but I really like it when they're really big and staked like that. And then here are the biggest rafts that I have seen, but their leaves are so small. And they have double fenestrations. These are cool. These are split a lot. This is like how mine looked when it was curving. I don't know if you've seen that, but I had a raft and it was curving and I did not like the curve, but on the curve the leaves were really small and they were split a lot like that. So I guess that's how they look when you let them grow wild. Or it's a different kind of raft. I don't know. but they're $80. They're massive. Massive, massive. There's a neon pothos here for 22 and an Adansonii. This is 35. Yeah. There's also some Dieffenbachias for 25. Aglaonemas. Here are the Hoyas. They have the come here. Pubicalix for 25. Really nice and splashy. I think that's all that I see for the Hoyas actually. Okay, well, there's more Adansonii up there. That big one is 55. And black pagoda lipsticks. Let's see. There we go. It's hard to show you guys. But there's also curly lipstick plants for 28. Maranta, Macoliana, 25 and 22. Another little Adansonii. I kind of like them like this. Small and staked up. Gotta try that out. There's some low riders. Crinkly, nice and crinkly. They're 38, 28, 28, 28. I think this is a Polly. ZZ plant, 28. Wow, 55. Gorgeous. Above, there are golden pothos. They're 20. Brazils are 22. Can't really see. There you go. And then Philodendron heartleaf. Monstera Adansonii Laniata, 35. I have not heard of that. For 35. I'm probably gonna get that. Yeah. So I was going over the stuff that I already filmed and I saw this. It has some really dark leaves. They're really pretty and they're kind of pointy, but look at the flower. Are you kidding me? That literally looks like a moth or something. That's so cool. I also forgot to mention there's pileas for 35. I don't know if that's different than the other ones. I am intrigued. It's a little bit windy, so I hope you can hear me, but I got this plant and it looks really cool. It's he said it was the Monstera Adansonii that doesn't really get fenestrations, which I've never seen before, so you know I bought it and I'm so excited. I told you this nursery sometimes has some really, this nursery sometimes has some really cool plants, so I'm really happy that it came. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!